Once, there was a wise Zen monk who lived in a small village. People from far and wide sought his guidance and wisdom. One day, a skeptical traveler arrived in the village, determined to test the monk's reputation. The traveler approached the monk and asked, "What makes you so special? Why do people respect you?" The monk smiled peacefully and replied, "I am but a humble servant of truth and compassion. I treat everyone with kindness and respect, regardless of their background or beliefs." Unconvinced, the traveler decided to challenge the monk further. He said, "If you are truly respected, show me a miracle. Prove your worth." The monk nodded gently and said, "Very well. Follow me." Curious, the traveler followed the monk to a nearby river. There, they came across a young woman struggling to cross the swift currents. Sensing her distress, the monk immediately approached her and offered his assistance. Without hesitation, he lifted her onto his back and carried her safely across the river. The grateful woman thanked the monk and continued on her way. The traveler watched in astonishment, his skepticism fading away. He realized that the true miracle lay not in supernatural feats but in the kindness and compassion of the monk. Turning to the monk, the traveler bowed deeply and said, "I now understand. It is your genuine care for others that earns you the respect of all. Your actions speak louder than any words or miracles." The monk smiled warmly and replied, "Indeed, true respect is earned through selfless acts of love and understanding. May you too find peace and respect on your journey." And so, the skeptical traveler left the village with a newfound appreciation for the wisdom and respect earned by the humble Zen monk.